Hello and welcome to Big John's Thoughts on the Market for September 2017. Before we get into all the numbers and what the market is doing, I want to invite each and every one of you to our Client Appreciation Party. We're going to be having it on Saturday, October 21st from 5 until 8 p.m. It's going to be at the park in Quarry Park. We've had it there the last couple of years and everyone seems to really enjoy themselves. Remember, it's a family event, so your kids are more than welcome to come. If you have any friends or business associates or family that are thinking about buying or selling real estate, bring them along as well. We'd love to meet them. We will have a bunch of food there, open bar. We're going to have some coloring contests for the kids. It's just a really good way for us to meet each and every one of you and talk about what's happening in the market or just get caught up on what's going on with your life. So we really look forward to having each one of you out there. You will be receiving a separate email invitation to this event, and you'll also be receiving an invite in the mail. So again, just mark that date down, October 21st. That's a Saturday from 5 until 8 p.m. Now, to get to some of the numbers. This summer in 2017, we've seen that the market has stayed relatively stable. What we've seen is a little bit of an increase in terms of the number of homes available for sale, but we've seen that demand has stayed relatively stable. So let's take a look at what the absorption rates are. In Calgary, the absorption rates are about 4 months worth of supply in the market with a a sale to new listing ratio is sitting at about 0.55. So for every new listing coming onto the market, we see about 0.55 of a sale. For the detached homes, that is the best part of the market or the best performing part of the market. There's just over 3 months worth of supply, and we see that there's about 0.6 of a sale for every new listing coming onto the market, which shows that that market is in fairly balanced territory. The attached market is a little bit out of balance at about 4.5 months worth of supply in the market and about 0.55 of a sale for every new listing coming into the marketplace. And the apartments are really what's causing a little bit of a drag on the marketplace in general. There's about 7 months worth of supply in that particular part of the market, and we're seeing that there's only about 0.4 of a sale for every new listing coming into the marketplace. So in general, we're seeing that the detached and attached properties are fairly balanced, with the apartment style condominiums in a little bit of a buyer's market. So again, if you're looking at investing in condos, if you're looking at buying your first condo, there's some really good opportunities that are out there. And we should be coming close to the end of the big supplies coming onto the marketplace. A lot of these buildings were built in 2012 or started in 2012, 2013, 2014 before we saw things really soften towards the end of 2014. Total sales are down about 6% in August of this year versus last year. Total new listings coming onto the market are up about 11%. So the big thing that we're seeing is that as we see any recovery start to happen with pricing or anything like that, there's a number of people out there waiting to put their home onto the market. I think that's going to keep us in a pretty balanced market for the next, at least through to the end of this year. So again, some serious planning needs to happen. There's some great opportunities out there. My team and I are really spending more time than ever talking with clients about what they're wanting to accomplish. Because again, in this market, if you're looking at making a move, it's not always about how much you get for your existing home, but we take a look at some of the buying opportunities that are out there for you. So what you'll find is that maybe if you're looking to move up into a larger home, that home is decreased in price more than your home has relative in the marketplace. So it does make sense, even if you can't get quite as much for your home as you thought, to maybe move to that larger home now because there's bigger decreases in those prices. The other big question that we're getting is interest rates. We've seen a couple of interest rate increases already. Expect that we might see one more before the end of the year. So again, money's getting a little bit more expensive. So if you're on the fence about buying that larger home, getting into the market, or buying some investment real estate, really this fall is going to be a great time to do it. You want to do it before we see interest rates increase or we start to see any kind of price increases start to happen. We're here. We want to help you. We want to understand what you're trying to accomplish and put a detailed plan in place to help you accomplish it. Hope you're having a great day. Talk to you soon.